In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A16 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to tap on advanced features. Then click on one-handed mode and use gray switcher to activate it. Following that, tap on one of those options to reduce display size with gesture or button, and follow all of the instructions below the chosen one to enter one-handed mode. In my case, double tap the home button. As you can see, after that, one-handed mode is working properly. If you want to change placement of your screen, you can do that by clicking on this icon on the left or on the right, by holding this line at the top and dragging your screen, or to resize it by holding one of its corners and dragging it as well. When you finished, just click on blurry area. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!